Okay, we will solve this one. Discover the equation of the sequence by looking at the pattern. Okay, so ito yung example natin. So yung sequence natin is 1/2, then nagiging 2/3, nagiging 3/4, nagiging 4/5, at saka nagiging 5/6. Okay, so kung titingnan natin yung pattern natin dito, so yung numerator starts siya from 1, so nagiging 2, nagiging 3, nagiging 4, at saka nagiging 5. Yung denominator naman, so nag-start siya ng 2, nagiging 3, nagiging 4, nagiging 5, at saka nagiging 6. Okay, so gagawa natin to ng equation mamaya. So unahin muna natin tong first term. So a sub 1, ako, bago pa to a sub 1 is equal to, so since 1 yung numerator, sulat natin dyan 1, then over 1 plus 1. Saan galing si 1? Kasi ito yung first term natin. Okay, 2 man yan, so dagdag tayo ng 1. So magiging 1/2. Kopihan natin yung numerator, i-add natin yung denominator. So 1 plus 1 is 2, or 1/2. So ito yung first term. So yung second term, a sub 2. So 2 yung numerator, over 2, then dagdag tayo ng plus 1. Okay, so magiging 2 over 3, or 2/3. Okay, the next, a sub 3, yung third term, 3 yung numerator niya, so lagyan natin yan 3, over 3 plus 1. Okay, so equals 3 over 4. Okay, another one, a sub 4, equals 4 over 4 plus 1, equals 4 over 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, then last term, a sub 5 is equal to 5 yung numerator, over 5 plus 1, then equal to 5 over 6. Diba? So therefore, yung equation natin dito, okay, so a sub n, ito yung number of term, equals, yung numerator natin is n, number of term, pwede siyang 1, pwede siyang 2, pwedeng 3, pwedeng 4, pwedeng 5, over n, pwede siyang 2, pwedeng 3, pwedeng 4, pwedeng 5, di ba? Number of terms, then plus 1, kasi ito yung lagi lumalabas, di ba? Plus 1, dagdag ng plus 1, dagdag ng 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 1. So therefore, n plus 1. So ito na yung equation na ating hinahanap. Okay?